Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Gmail inbox looks a little boring and plain, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail background in under 1 minute, even if you're a complete beginner. This is the complete guide, and I'll also show you how to set your own custom image as a theme. Let's make your inbox look amazing. So let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer using any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings button. Click on it. Once you click, a quick settings menu will slide open from the right side. You'll immediately notice a section called Theme near the top. You don't need to click on See All Settings. Just click directly on Theme. Now, a theme gallery will pop up showing a collection of background styles. Google gives you lots of beautiful options like beaches, mountains, city lights, simple solid colors, and even abstract gradients. Just click any theme to instantly preview it in your inbox. This is great because you can try as many as you like until you find the perfect vibe. Want something even more personal? No problem. At the bottom left of the theme window, there's an option called My Photos. Click on that if you want to upload your own image, maybe your favorite wallpaper, a family photo, or a cool design from your gallery. You can upload photos from your computer or select one from Google Photos. Choose your image, adjust the layout if needed, and click Done. And that's it. Gmail will automatically apply the theme. No need to press any save button. Just close the theme window and enjoy your new personalized inbox experience. A fresh look can make checking emails feel a lot more enjoyable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this one. If you want me to cover more Gmail customization tips, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.